Hello everyone. Today we will see the basics of MS Excel. You will be wondering what is the difference between this and the previous applications we have studied. Uh, as we will be studying, we'll know more about it. So I'll just, in a very quick overview, I will tell you how it is different. Suppose I am typing like this, I can just automatically get the numbers below. Or if I have a set of numbers over here, I can give a sum of it. I can add it over here, or if I want to make a difference between the two numbers, suppose if I have two numbers over here, I can quickly go for the subtraction. I can use this formula also. So here mostly we'll be dealing with the formula. So that is why we are going for MS Excel. And here we can also draw the charts and show the comparison between the two values. So that we will learn in the coming videos. So to begin with the basics of MS Excel, here it goes like this. This is the title bar. And this is called as the menu bar. And these two lines we call this as the icons. And this is called as the formula bar. You can see typed over there, formula bar. And this is called as the name box or the address box. And these are the one which are called as the column address. So each column, it will start with A and it will end till this. This is the last column address. Now these are called as the rows. This is the row address. So it starts with 1 and ends with 1,48,000. So this many rows are there. Each and every cell has its own address. So this address, you can see it over here. It's a combination of column and row. If I keep my cell over here, that is, address of the cell is D and the row is 6. So the address is going to be D6. If I highlight this particular cell, the address of this cell is going to be G14. So you can see the column is also highlighted, row is also highlighted, and that address you see it over here. Now this is the Excel sheet. Here I have the number of sheets over here. I can increase the number of sheets or decrease it. So if I click over here, it will increase the sheets. If I want to remove the sheet, I right click over here and click on delete. So I can click over here, I can delete it. Now if I want to change the name of the sheet is something like pages in a book. So if I want to change the name of it, I double click over here. So I can give it as page 1. If I want different colors, I can use the colors also. So we will be learning more details in the coming videos. Now I'll tell you how to make entries over here. So basically there are different types of entries. You can have a text entry. You can have a date entry. You can have a numerical entry. You can have currencies. So if I give the entry, this is called as the name entry. Date entry. This is called as the date entry. And if I enter numerical value, it is the numbers. And if I go in for the currency, that means I can have a decimal. I can increase or decrease the decimal as well. So here I see if I want to increase, I can click over here. So it increases the decimal. If I want to decrease it, I can decrease the decimal. So to navigate the cell, I have used the tab key. When I press the tab key, it moves from one cell to another. And when I press the tab enter key, it will come just below the starting point. So this is how we can navigate using the tab key and the enter key. So you'll be wondering how I was doing because I left explaining it in between. So you can try this. It will be easy for you. Suppose if you are not able to do with the tab key, you can use the arrow keys as well to move around in the cell. So these are the basics of working in MS Excel. We will see how this is going to be different from other applications. Thank you very much for watching.